That's it. My biggest thing is I don't want people to overpay.
Whom is this not for?
Yes, who is it not for? If I put it in my shoes, so I'm 36. Okay, I invest in senior housing deals, multifamily, retail, mixed use, value add opportunities. If you can find a value add forced appreciation deal that makes sense right now, buy it. Do a 1031. By the way, we're a backup plan for a failed 1031. So at least have us as an option as a backup plan. We don't charge you for any of that. But go for your 1031. We don't take up any of the spots, but go for your 1031. At day 46, day 181, we can save that. But if you can find a value add deal, buy it. That's wonderful. We love that. Okay. Who is it not for? Everyone else, if you're selling a business, you're selling a primary home, we think it's a no-brainer. If you're completely charitable, right, do a charitable remainder trust. If you want to give 100% away, no problem. The Deferred Sales Trust can also go charity too. You can give 20%, 50%, 100% after it's fine. So this gives you more flexibility there. But if you want to do 100% charitable, yeah, I mean, that's really it. I mean, maybe the tax is too small, Mark. Okay, let's say you're selling a deal for 10 million bucks and the tax is only 100,000 in liability. We're going to say, Mark, just pay the tax, take your 9.9 and walk away and wait till you find a deal, right? So the liability has to be big enough. Okay, so what are the ratios? For every $100,000 of actual liability, that's the check you're going to write to state, federal, and Obamacare and depreciation recapture. For every 100,000, we want about $500,000 in proceeds. Okay. So that's kind of the ratio. Our average deal is about 2.6 million, and we're deferring somewhere between $350,000 and $500,000 in liability. Okay.
Got it.
So that's it. My biggest thing is I don't want people to overpay. So my story is one from Marcus and Millichap where I saw people get hurt. You know, I started in 06. I was still really young in college. I graduated in 07, and I was at Marcus and Millichap. Everything started to crash in 08. And I watched people just get really hammered because they had too much debt and they had overpaid and they felt pressured and trapped. And so we want to just give people the tool, empower them with the tool and say, you decide what you want. By the way, you can do a third, a third, a third. You could do a partial 1031 exchange, partial deferred sales trust, partial charitable, right? It doesn't have to be all or the other. So it's a mix. It's a mix between what you want. So hopefully that answers the question, Mark.
No, it really does. I think this is a fascinating topic.